Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at what we confidently call the best Hot Wheels themed pack available today, the Hot Wheels European Car Culture Multipack. Whether you're a die-hard collector or a parent looking for an exciting gift, you're going to want to stay tuned for this one. The Hot Wheels European Car Culture Multipack features 6 1/64 scale die-cast vehicles, each paying homage to iconic designs from the European automotive world. These aren't your average toy cars. Each one comes packed with authentic decos, rich detailing, and real-world inspired styling that speaks directly to the heart of car enthusiasts. From sleek German engineering to Italian speed legends, this set celebrates Europe's finest. Now let's talk about quality. Hot Wheels is known for delivering dependable craftsmanship, but this pack takes things a step further. Each vehicle rolls smoothly with precision wheels and balanced axles, making them perfect for high-speed track runs or elegant display cases. You can feel the difference the moment you pick one up. The weight, the gloss finish, the detailed trim. These are not just toys, they're miniatures made for admiration and play alike. What makes this particular multi-pack even more appealing is its versatility. It's an excellent way to kick off a Hot Wheels collection if you're just getting started. But if you're already deep into the world of die-cast cars, these 6 themed vehicles are a brilliant addition that instantly elevate your shelf. The box doesn't skimp on presentation either. It's designed to make an impact whether you're unboxing or gifting. This pack is also kid-approved. Designed for ages 3 and up, it combines fun and function beautifully. Whether they're racing the cars around the living room floor or setting up epic stunts on their Hot Wheels tracks, kids are encouraged to use their creativity and imagination. But make no mistake, adult collectors will find just as much joy in the craftsmanship and authenticity this pack delivers. Let's not overlook the cultural appeal. Unlike many Hot Wheels packs that include fantasy designs or abstract paint jobs, this European car culture set leans into realism. These are the kinds of vehicles you see on the streets of Berlin, Paris, Milan, brought down to scale with an incredible level of detail. It's an automotive journey across Europe in one box. If you're looking for a high-impact gift that excites kids, collectors, and car lovers alike, this is the pack to beat. It doesn't just represent value, it represents taste, precision, and an appreciation for real automotive legends. So whether you're gifting this holiday season, growing your own Hot Wheels garage, or just want to experience a piece of European car culture in your hands, the Hot Wheels European Car Culture Multipack is the one to get. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you never miss an in-depth review. See you in the next video.